Hi everyone! Happy Sunday to all! It's 3:30 ng hapon dito sa Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines it's 9:30 na ng gabi. Ngayon guys, ito guys, luto na to guys, i-off na natin to. Nagluto ako ng pork belly adobo with eggplant. Ayan guys, giprito ko muna yung talong guys. Ayan. So, eto na guys, ang pinatuyuang adobo. Ganito ako kasi mag-adobo guys. Yung ganyan na lang guys, oh. Yan guys, so mantika na lang guys. Yan, kasi para mas masarap siya guys. So, eto guys, ang aming lunch and dinner for today. And of course guys, kapag may adobo, rice is life. So, eto guys, ang sarap niya guys. Promise guys. Ang sarap talaga guys, promise. Nahulog pa yung cellphone ko. So, eto guys, kain tayo guys. Babu